Yeah.
Alright, so this is gonna be a two-part video, but this one we're doing Limpopo to Joburg, and then the next one is gonna be Joburg to Cape Town. So yeah, full tank at 1,000. I was topping up. I made a mistake of leaving on the 3rd, like on the 3rd of January. Traffic was bad, but I left late, like around 1 p.m. So this video is gonna start when I get to Giyani. Anyways, let's go. Yo guys, season driving is insane. Can I even get out of here? Fuck, I cannot. Yo, it's so full. Yeah, I think I got out of home at 1 and it's 2. It's been an hour. I'm still in Giyani. I've only done like 40 kilometers. Look at this. Look at the back. Like wow. And there are cops in front. This is the yellow line, by the way. So we need to come back when we get to the front. That's how bad it is. Alright, so we are 420 kilometers away and look at them. Range is 397, consumption 10.9. That actually went up. We should go all the way down to like 9. But yeah, let's go. The last board I saw said 150 kilometers away from Polokwane. But yeah, we'll see. I think we're gonna get there with like maybe half. We'll see. Like yeah, for those of you guys who live on that side of Limpopo, like you guys know this feeling. When you get to this part of the road, right, when you get to Mukes, like your heart just relaxes. You know that now I'm on my way. Like this is where reality hits, that you're going back to Joburg. But yeah, like we actually got to Muketi at 14:54, 10 to 14:54. Yes, we got to Muketi, and yeah, car wise, I did get a tire pressure warning because I balanced the tires when I left home, but I did not set it back. Range, we're doing like 10.9 fuel consumption, which is still very high because we've driven so far now. I'll add the duration, like the distance we've done up here, and we still have about 406 on the range. Not bad, because when we're here, we're almost, well, let's say halfway maybe to Polokwane. I'll put everything on the screen now. But yeah, actually let's go to Polokwane now. Okay, so we stopped for about 50 minutes to be honest. So we're just leaving Polokwane now. Range 351. Yeah, we've been a quarter. To be honest, I've been moving average 160, but yeah, not average. That's ideally how fast I was moving. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, consumption 10.9. So yeah, we're moving. Okay, I'm approaching the first toll gate. I think it's a kilometer away. But one thing I do have to say, the N1 is beautiful. Like, I still haven't put back my mirror. But anyways, like the N1 is gorgeous, guys. People are moving. Like, it's not slow. I did leave late because I thought there was going to be too much traffic in the morning. But yeah, apart from that, it's the usual tires. Like if your tire goes out here, what happened? What did you hit? Yeah. The road is not packed, but it's not free. But one thing that I do say, like I said before, it's moving. It's really, really moving. Guys, don't make space. Like if you make space now, the people behind me, ish. You see? But yeah, so we are doing, we're still at 10.9. We're still slightly just below half a quarter, and range we have 367. Yeah. Anyways, cool. We're off the first toll gate, not traffic whatsoever. Yeah, so let's see. Where are we? Fuel. We're somewhere right there. We're about 200 kilometers away. And 369 range, 10.9 consumption. And yeah. Road wise, people are actually moving. So those of us at this time are the ones who left home late. So yeah, people are really moving. Look at this one. Look at that. Aye. And mind you, I'm not driving slow. Just that I was making space for whatever was going on there. But yeah, like I'm actually not driving slow. I'm not gonna show my speed, but people are really moving. So I'm gonna put my phone away and then, you know, keep up with the traffic, or at least, yeah. Like I am not. I want you to understand that there's someone right there behind me, and I am not moving slow. Alright, so I thought I was actually gonna survive this. It looked far when we were approaching, but yeah, it looks like we are not gonna. Yeah, we're going straight into it. Hey, and I saw there's a bit of traffic. That's what this thing actually said to the routing. It's making me go via Modimolle to avoid whatever traffic has built up on the next toll gate. But yeah, I am going straight into this. I can barely see anything except their hazards on their car in front. I don't know why people don't switch on their fog lights, like their rear fog lights when it's like this, but like just switch them on. But yeah, like can barely see anything. But anyway, so we are taking the Modimolle road. I'm not sure if it's gonna show. Yeah, that road. So there's a 23, almost 30-minute difference between this and the toll gate. So whatever's going on the toll gate is going on big time. Anyways, let me focus on driving because I can't see anything. So here's the unfortunate part. Where I am going, I'm not sure if it's gonna do while I'm recording now, but the lightning and thunder where I'm going now, hey, it's time for round 2, and that side it looks much. Rear fog light failure, what the hell? Ah, come on, yo. Alright, so we are back on the N1, and we skipped so much traffic. Funny enough, I really don't see traffic being bad here. There is no traffic. I don't know. I genuinely feel like I wasted my time going via Modimolle. Like it's saying red and I see nothing. There's absolutely nothing. And I made a mistake of only using Waze. I should have also checked with maps. Like I see no traffic here. Okay, so Google Maps is saying the same thing, that there's abnormal traffic, and for the outgoing lane is bad. Like it is just as bad. I don't know what's up. Like I really don't know what's wrong. I don't see the traffic, but Maps is saying red, and when I redo the GPS, it also tells me to go via Modimolle, so it's not just Waze. But I don't see the traffic it's complaining about. I see it on the other side, like on the other side is clogged bad. But Maps is still convinced that something is really wrong. Same goes with Waze. So I don't know. And lightning has been going, thunder has been on, and yeah, more rain. Let's speed this up. But yeah, it's actually quite a drive. Oh no. So because of the bad weather, we're literally driving 50. For the last 10 minutes we've been doing 50. Those who are afraid to drive on the rain, which is correct, they are driving extremely slow and they don't want to switch lanes. And for whatever reason, truck drivers, if you know, most trucks prefer being on the inside lane than the outside one. I've seen a couple of them switching lanes to come to the inside. Maybe there's a reason for that, I don't know. But yeah, now we just hit 60. I'm actually 100 kilometers away. Average 10.9 with a range of 284. We're exactly on half tank. Yeah. So yeah, half tank ETA here. Yeah. This game has been moving. Okay. I won't chase him. It's a 330i. But yeah, there he goes. Now it's off. The carousel is so full that if I show you back, that's the toll gate. We're using the incoming lane now. We're actually on the incoming lanes, so we then have additional ones to come here. So yeah. Unfortunately, the phone ran out of battery. It did last the whole day, so yeah. We did get to Pretoria. There's one more toll gate here. It's 26 rand. But yeah, I'll put the totals for everything up here now. Good drive, no issues except the bad weather. But yeah, next we're gonna be driving to Cape Town. I'll upload that as soon as I can. Cheers guys.